Today I'm going to be at a completely new stream again. I'm exploring a new river or stream that has brown trout that are wild and stock trout. So that's awesome. I've never caught a wild brown trout yet, or a brown trout in general. So I'm super stoked for that. There might be some brook trout in here too. We're going to start off with the setup we always use. This is our 5-foot ultralight Daiwa rod, 4-pound test. And I'm going to be starting with the Mepps Comet Minnow Spinner, 00, small, super small profile. Hopefully that'll be able to entice a bite first. If not, we're going to switch up to like a rooster tail, a panther martin, maybe even a trout magnet. We'll see what happens. So yeah, let's get right to it. All right, so we just had a little fish come up to the top and try to swipe this in this deep pool here. I'm not too sure what it was, if it was a little baby smallmouth or a small trout, native trout. But I definitely want to get the recorder on for you guys to see this, if it is a native trout. Oh, we got him. I think it is a little trout. Can't really tell. Whoa! Smallmouth. It's a baby smallie. There he is, baby smallie. Get him back in. Got him, guys. Yes. Right in the rapids here. I'm using on this rock here. Little rainbow. Looks like we need it. Yes, guys, first trout of the day, and he's off. Woo. There he is, nice little rainbow. Start the day. Yeah, guys, we weren't able to get the underwater release on that last guy. I just have too much stuff in my hands, too much stuff going on at once. But hopefully the next one we'll get the underwater release on him. All right, so I just moved upstream to get to get upstream of this deep pool here, the upper side of it, in order to get a better vantage point here. Got him. Nice one too. Oh yeah, he's fighting good. Ooh, nice rainbow. Yeah, buddy. Let him fight for a second. Number 2 of the day, guys. Another nice rainbow trout. We get him out of the net here. Smallmouth, guys. Let's get a release on him. All right, everybody. So we just got that smallmouth in the same spot we just caught the trout. I was doing the same, using the same technique, casting downstream diagonally, and that smallmouth was super aggressive. He crushed this Comet Minnow Spinner as soon as it hit the water. I thought it was a big trout. I thought it was a brown or a brookie. I couldn't even see him in the water, but it was a nice smallmouth. And I was just gonna move too, because I wasn't getting hit after catching that trout. So we're gonna definitely see if. Ooh, it just had another hit. We're definitely gonna see if there's a couple more fish here, because I'm pretty sure there's a few more hiding under all these big boulders in here. In this nice deep cool pocket with shade. Absolutely ideal for any kind of fish, really. Trout, smallmouth. All right, everyone. My other GoPro battery just died, but I took a couple casts upstream of where we just were a little bit and just caught this nice trout right close to my feet. So I'm gonna get him out the net and we're gonna get a nice release on him. One thing I always neglect, guys, usually when I come out, is I usually come under prepared with snacks and drinks. Guys, if you're gonna be out here on the water for a couple hours and you're out here in the wilderness hiking, it's very important that you bring some sustenance. You just fueled up, feeling a lot better. It's also very important that when you're out here fishing for a while too, that you stop and take a break to recuperate. Sometimes that can be key, whether you stop to take a bite to eat or you just sit down and take a breather. I always find that really helps me out on the water. Can't get any bites here. We're gonna move up a little bit ahead. I see a bridge up ahead. Looks like it might have some deep calm water up there, so it looks like an ideal spot for some trout to be chilling. And hopefully get this first brown trout today. Super pumped still. Super pumped for that. Just got another new species for the day. Creek chub. Little sucker. I have my recorder off. I'm trying to conserve the last little bit of battery I had, but just hooked up with this trout. Took us a while to get this guy. Gorgeous rainbow trout, guys. One too. He put up a nice fight. Beautiful fins on that guy. Absolutely gorgeous fish. We were working this little pool right here by us, and I had to get pretty deep into the stream here so that I could get the right angle to place my lure right in the middle of the water column so that I could get this guy. Just caught another baby smallmouth. We're in the 6th spot over here. We got a ton of slow current water and a deep pool that extends pretty far up and down. This is probably the deepest pool I found all day. And there's fish boiling right here too, like crazy. There he is. Got him. I'm gonna break me on the rocks. Hope y'all can see that rainbow in the water. That's gorgeous. He's not putting up much of a fight. I spoke too soon. Got him. There he is, guys. That's a big one. Whew. Let me get one hooked and out the net real quick. That runs along here, so I was just working my lure very slow along that branch, and then that fish bit down real hard. That was one of the longer ones I caught all day. Still no brown trout though, so we're gonna keep trying.